Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0063 error code and suffering from poor fuel efficiency? Ignoring this issue can lead to higher emissions, rough idling, and even long-term catalytic converter damage. In this video, we'll cover what P0063 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned, because this simple fix could save you from costly repairs later. What does P0063 mean? The P0063 code stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2 Sensor 2. What does P0063 mean? The P0063 code stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2 Sensor 2. This means the oxygen sensor heater circuit on Bank 2, Sensor 2 is not receiving enough voltage. The oxygen sensor has an internal heater to help it reach optimal operating temperature quickly. If the heater circuit is not working properly, the sensor may give inaccurate readings leading to poor engine performance. Symptoms of P0063 include the check engine light being on, increased fuel consumption, poor acceleration or rough idling, a failed emissions test, and in some cases, catalytic converter overheating. Common causes of P0063 are a faulty oxygen sensor where the heater circuit inside the sensor may be bad, a blown fuse or faulty relay, which can stop power from reaching the heater wiring issues, such as broken, corroded, or shorted wires in the heater control circuit, a bad ground connection, which can cause voltage issues, and an ECU malfunction, where the engine control unit may not be supplying the correct voltage. Where is the oxygen sensor located for P0063? Bank 2, Sensor 2 location, which is the post-catalytic converter oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the catalytic converter on Bank 2 of the engine. Bank 2 refers to the side opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is typically on the passenger's side. The oxygen sensor wiring connector. The sensor connects to the wiring harness near the exhaust system, and the fuse and relay for the heater circuit can be found in the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin fuse panel. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact fuse and relay location. Here's a tip: always refer to your car's repair manual for the exact sensor placement in your vehicle. First, check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Now let's check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance is out of range, you'll need to replace the sensor. Next, inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for any burnt, corroded, or damaged wires. Repair or replace any faulty connections. Okay, now let's move on to step 3, checking the fuse and relay. First, locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box. If you find that the relay is either faulty or stuck, you'll need to replace it. Alright, moving on to step 4, testing the voltage supply to the sensor. Using a voltmeter, check if the sensor is receiving the proper voltage. If you notice that the voltage is too low, the issue might be with the ECU or the wiring. Finally, step 5, clear the code and take the car for a test drive. After completing the repairs, reset the P0063 code and take the car out for a test drive to confirm that the fix was successful. So, that's everything you need to know about P0063 HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2 Sensor 2. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and voltage supply first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next: P0223, Throttle Position Sensor Circuit High Input, and P0222, Throttle Position Sensor Circuit Low Input. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. So that's everything you need to know about P0063 HO2S Heater Control Circuit Low, Bank 2 Sensor 2. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and voltage supply first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0223, Throttle Position Sensor Circuit High Input. 2. P0222, throttle position sensor circuit low input. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.